Hello friend, welcome to Study Technique. In current video, we will discuss current affair from 1st October to 8 October. Question number 1. Who has won the 2019-20 All India Football Federation Men's Footballer of the Years? And if you check the option, it's option number B, Gurdeep Singh Sandhu. Question number 2. India's first COVID-19 related vaccine portal has been launched by which organizations? It's Indian Council of Medical Research, ICMR, option number A. Question number 3. Contactless Connection is a new brand campaign launched by which company? And it is launched by SBI Card. Question number 4. Name the winner of the 2019-20 of AFF Women's Player of the Year. And it's Sanju Yadav. And she is the player of squash and belongs from Haryana. Who among the following has been appointed as the chairman of a tribe? And it's P.D. Baghel. Question number 6. Who has been given the additional charge for counter-terrorist force National Security Guards? And it is given to Yashas Deswal, and currently he is the chief of Indo-Tibetan Border Force, and it is the charge is thereby additional charge is given to him as the counter-terrorist force National Security Guards additionals. Question number 7. India's indigenously made microprocessor MOSIC has been developed by, and it is developed by IIT Madras. Question number 8. Which among the following institutions has approved USD 300 million loan to Rajasthan? And it is approved by Asian Development Bank. Question number 9. Name the Assam's first and only woman chief minister who passed away recently. And there should be a correction. It should be woman. And it is Syed Anwar Timur. Question number 10. Whose name is announced for Gan Samrani Lata Mangeshkar Award 2020-29, and it's Usha Mangeshkar. Option number C. Question number 11. Who among the following has been honored with SDG Special Humanitarian Award by United Nations? And it is award to Sonu Sood. Question number 12. International Translation Day is observed on, and it is observed on 30 September. Question number 13. Who is the author of the book A Bouquet of Flowers? And it's option number C, Krishna Saxena. Question number 14. Who has been appointed as the new president of the Film and Television Institute of India? And it's option number C, Shekhar Gupta. Question number 15. Which of the following bank becomes the first bank to India to implement the new feature of a document embedding facility? And it is launched by IDBI, Industrial Bank of India. Which state has honored with Pacific Asia Travel Association Award? And the award is honored to Kerala. Number 17. E-commerce Flipkart and who has been launched a cyber insurance cover for online financial fraud? And cyber insurance is launched by Flipkart with Bajaj General Insurance. Question number 18. NABARD will begin a sanitation campaign in which state? And it is begin with Karnataka. Question 19. Name of the Bollywood actor who has been recently robbed by RBI for customer awareness? And it is all-time favorite Amitabh Bachchan. Question number 20. Who has been appointed as the advisor of Khadi and Village Industries? And it's Sunil Shetty. 21. How many scientists have been decided for awarding Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award? And it's 14. When is the International Day of Older Person is observed? And it's 1st October. Operation My Saheli has been launched by, and it is launched by Southeastern Railway for the safeness of the women's passengers in the train and railway station. Home delivery of fertilizer has been initiated by, and it is initiated by Andhra Pradesh. Question number 25. IBE Notes has been launched by, and it is launched by Indian Bank. 26. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Bengal Paris Housing Development Company? And is Saurav Ganguly. Who has broken the record of MS Dhoni to dismiss as most wicket keeper in T20? And it's Alicia Hali. She is the cricketer from Australia, women's cricketers, and he broke the record of Mahendra Singh Dhoni, taking 91 wicket, 91 dismiss at 98 matches. Question 28. Name the initiative launched by Ranjit Singh to support innovation unidentified by member of Indian Armed Force. And is option number B, Fauji. Question 29. Which of the state government has launched a portal named Krityagata, an online pension scheme, and is launched by Assam? Name the bilateral exercise which recently commenced between India and Bangladesh Navy in northern Bay of Bengal. Bongo Sagar. Indian Coast Guard vessels Karnaklata Borua was communicated at, and it is going to communicated at Kolkata. Question number 30. Vishnu Sivaraj Pandian has recently claimed a gold medal for India in which sports, and he claimed gold at shooting 10-meter air pistol. Who is the author of the book Profitable Book on Discovering the Heritage of Assam? And it's option number A, Padmanabh Bora. Question 34. World Teachers Day is observed on? And it is observed on October 5. And if you talking the titles of the World Teachers Day October 5, it was Teachers Leading in Crisis, Remaining in Future. Question 35. Atal Tunnel is the world's longest highway tunnel above 1000 foot. Is concentrated in which state? And it is concentrated in India at Himachal Pradesh. Question 36. Who has known as the Iron Lady of Mumbai has passed away recently? And it's Pushpa Bhabha. Question number 37. World Space Week is observed on every year from, and it is observed on 4th October to 10 October. And title for this year was Satellite Improve Life. Who among the following has been appointed as the new Chief Financial Officer of SBI? And it's Charan Singh Sandhu. Which of the following state has bagged the first position on Swachh Bharat 2020 award? And it's Gujarat. NASA has launched a spacecraft named, and it's named on Indian space personality SS Kalpana Chawla. Question number 41. Who among the following is the winner of the 2020 Nobel Prize for Medicine? And it's Harvey Alter, Charles M. Rice, Michael Stevenson. And the answer will be all the above. And I am going to provide a video on Nobel Prize 2020 closely. Question number 42. Name the first ever airport of Airport Authority of India to become entirely solar powered. And it is Puducherry Airport, completely solar powered. Question number 43. Who has launched a book named Babu the Unforgettable? And it is launched by Monish Sisodia. Question number 44. Youth Pradushan Ki Virudh has been launched by, and it is launched by Delhi to control the pollution. Question number 45. Who among the book titled The Very Extremely Most Naughty Asura Tales for Kids? And it's Ananda Nilakanta, the writer of the Bahubali. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs has entered a MOU with which institution for food vendors commerce platform? And it is a contract made by Swiggy. Wildlife Week is celebrated between, and it is celebrated between 2nd October to 8th October. And I will talk in the title of this year, we are exploring human and animal relationship. Question number 18. Which of the following country have to send world's first mining robot named Asteroid Mining Robot? And it is launched by China, Dragon. Question number 49. The Indo-American Chamber of Commerce has presented the Lifetime Achievement Award to which businessman? and it's Ratan Tata from India. And friends, the video is end with question number 49. And if you think the video is helpful to you, then made subscribe. And if you likes more, made a likes and share to your friends as soon as possible. Thank you for all.